Welcome to High Performance Pilot, where together we'll discover the secrets to improving our operational performance and so become more effective pilots. To achieve this, we're going to examine the required skills, knowledge and attitudes, collectively known as the core competency matrix. I'm David Summers, and in this episode we explore awareness of the aircraft state, its systems and future projection, a behaviour within the competency of situational awareness. We'll examine what it is, why we need to be proficient in it, how we are going to achieve it, then put it into context with an example, and finally provide some key takeaways. The core competencies should not be seen as 9 individual elements. Effective operation requires them to be used together, effectiveness in one being dependent on effectiveness in the others. They are all interconnected. Heightened situational awareness is a result of proficiency in the competencies of leadership and teamwork, communication, and workload management. It is a critical competency that encompasses a pilot's ability to perceive, comprehend, and project the state of their aircraft, its systems, and the future status. It involves having a comprehensive understanding of the current situation, anticipating potential changes, and making informed decisions accordingly. Awareness of the aircraft state, its systems, and future projection is a crucial aspect of situational awareness. But what does it actually mean? This behaviour plays a fundamental role in ensuring safe and efficient flight operations. It refers to our ability to monitor and understand the condition of our aircraft, its various systems, and anticipate their future behaviour. It involves continuously gathering information on parameters such as engine performance, fuel levels, hydraulic systems, avionics, and other critical components. By maintaining this awareness, we can detect potential issues, proactively address them, and ensure the aircraft's optimal operation. Now we know what this behaviour is, let's look at why we need to be effective at it. Number 1. Safety. Understanding the aircraft state and systems is crucial for ensuring flight safety. By being aware of any abnormalities or malfunctions, we can take timely actions to prevent accidents or emergencies. Number 2. Performance optimization. Monitoring the aircraft systems allows us to optimize performance by identifying opportunities for improvement. We can adjust settings, troubleshoot issues, and enhance efficiency, leading to fuel savings and improved operations. Number 3. Decision making. Having accurate information about the aircraft's state and systems empowers us to make informed decisions. We can determine the best course of action based on the projected behaviour of the systems, anticipate potential failures, and take preventative measures. Number 4. Emergency preparedness. Being aware of the aircraft's state enables us to prepare for potential emergencies. By understanding the behaviour of systems and anticipating failures, we can formulate contingency plans, ensuring a swift and appropriate response when needed. We've looked at what and why. Let's now take a look at how we achieve proficiency in awareness of the aircraft state, its systems, and future projection. Firstly, monitoring instruments. We should regularly monitor the aircraft's instrumentation, including flight displays, engine gauges, and warning systems. These instruments provide real-time data on the aircraft state and system performance. Secondly, system knowledge. We must have an in-depth knowledge of the aircraft's systems, their normal behaviour, and potential failure modes. This understanding enables us to identify deviations from the expected state and make accurate projections. Thirdly, the pre-flight inspection. Conducting a thorough pre-flight inspection allows us to visually assess the aircraft's condition, ensuring that all systems are functioning correctly before takeoff. Lastly, collaboration and communication. We should maintain open communication with other crew members and ground personnel to exchange vital information about the aircraft's state and systems. Collaborating and sharing insights contribute to a more comprehensive situational awareness. We now have a picture of what, why and how. So now let's put it into context with an in-flight example. Imagine you are part of a crew flying on a long-haul flight. During the cruise phase, you receive a caution message indicating a potential issue with the aircraft's hydraulic system. As an experienced pilot, you have a high level of situational awareness and immediately begin to assess the situation. You begin by reviewing the aircraft system displays and indicators to gather more information about the hydraulic system's current state. You observe the hydraulic pressure indication showing a slight drop, indicating a possible leak. Additionally, you check the system status page on the flight management computer, which confirms that there is a minor hydraulic pressure loss. Based on your knowledge and understanding of the aircraft's hydraulic system, you anticipate that the leak could worsen over time, potentially leading to a complete loss of hydraulic pressure. This projection into the future is an essential aspect of situational awareness, as it allows you to plan and make decisions proactively. Drawing on your expertise and the available resources, you consider the possible consequences of a complete hydraulic failure. You know that the loss of hydraulic pressure would impact critical flight controls, such as the landing gear, brakes and flight spoilers. This would significantly affect the aircraft's controllability and landing capabilities. With this awareness, you decide to take proactive measures to mitigate the situation. You inform the cabin crew and prepare them for the possibility of an emergency landing. You also communicate with air traffic control to request priority handling and assistance from emergency services upon landing. Furthermore, you consult the aircraft's emergency procedures and review the steps required to address a hydraulic failure. You brief the co-pilot and cabin crew on the possible actions required, ensuring that everyone is prepared for the potential emergency situation. Throughout this example, your situational awareness is evident as you continuously monitor the aircraft systems, assess their current state, and project potential future scenarios. This awareness enables you to anticipate problems, make informed decisions, and take proactive measures to ensure the safety of the aircraft and its occupants. In conclusion, maintaining awareness of the aircraft's state, systems, and future projection is an essential component of situational awareness. By being effective in this behaviour, we can actively monitor the condition of our aircraft, anticipate system behaviour, and make informed decisions. By achieving this awareness, we enhance safety, optimise performance, and effectively respond to emergencies. Through diligent monitoring, continuous learning, and effective communication, we can improve our performance in this behaviour, ensuring safer and more efficient flight operations. Here are some key takeaways. Awareness of the aircraft state, its systems and future projection is a crucial behaviour within the core competency of situational awareness. It involves monitoring the aircraft state, understanding its systems and accurately projecting their future behaviour. It ensures safety, performance optimisation, effective decision making and emergency preparedness. Proficiency in this behaviour requires monitoring instruments, system knowledge, pre-flight inspections, continuous training, and effective collaboration. These podcasts have an ultimate aim: to stimulate interest in the core competencies and inspire you to seek them out and apply them to further improve your effectiveness as a pilot. High Performance Pilot. Each week, one behaviour from one competency. We will break it down and provide tips and advice on how to make it a strength in your toolkit. Join me next week. If you wish to contribute or ask a question, please email me at david@sim2sky.com.